Hello, my angels. Welcome back to whatever day this is. Let me check my phone. So it'll be Monday, April 20th. Um, so we're going to kind of get back to a regular schedule. So we're going to start Monday with your primary source creation, your journal entry. And I'd like, if you guys don't mind, I'm going to set up a Dropbox on Google Classroom. If you guys can just try and drop those in there. I'm trying to eliminate having to go to 3 or 4 different platforms to do all the grading. It's kind of time consuming and confusing for everybody. So I'd like to try and use the Google Classroom Dropbox if at all possible. And if it's not possible, then we'll make alternate plans, but I'd like to try and get everything together. So even if you've already submitted your journal document as a running document, please resubmit it into Google Docs, or I'm sorry, into Google Classroom, or start a new document and submit it, and then you can just edit it as every week goes by. I'll return it to you after I'm able to score it, and then we'll just keep a running tab from there. So Mondays are still going to be journal days. I love the pictures of your pups and of the cakes and things that you guys are doing and walks and stuff. I know we're set till May 15th, but it's still likely that we're not going to come back at all for this semester. As a result of that, many of you may already know, because Find Out First were sent, that the grading scale is different this semester. Now, I'm still going to grade things in the grade book, and you'll still have your letter grades and percentages in the grade book. But the grades on your report cards are going to be pass or incomplete. So incomplete would indicate that you either didn't participate, didn't complete any work, didn't contact me, nothing like that. And then that would, if you failed first term and you got an incomplete, then you would fail the course and have to retake it. If you have a passing grade, which most of you have a passing grade from third term, then your fourth term grade, if it's incomplete, you will still pass, as you would if you had a D and an F. That's still a D and you pass. As long as you participate, then you will have a passing grade. So a lot of the work, like, I'm going to give you work that's meaningful, because I know some of you are just really hungry for knowledge and you want to know and you want, as much as you can get. So I'll give you good stuff. But I know some of you are struggling and you can barely get anything done. And I get that. I'm kind of having the same issue myself. So, but here I am. And look, I changed my dress this time. Every other video, I'm in the same dress for some reason. At any rate, so as long as you participate and you turn work in and you're in communication with me and everything, then you'll pass. Now, if you are concerned about your letter grade and you really want your letter grade, you and your parents can opt for that. So that's why I'm keeping the running tally of grades rather than just making your grade book pass fail. So if you want your transcript to read, A, B, whatever it is you earn through points, then we can still do that for you. Okay. So, but you have to choose to do that, and you have to let the guidance office know that that's what you want to do. And I don't think you have to decide today. So, because that's the option, I'm going to keep a running grade book, because I know a lot of you are concerned about college and the future and things like that. But I do want to say, I really don't think that's something you've got to worry about, because the whole country and the whole world is in the same situation. 9 out of 10 children across the globe are schooling over the internet right now, which is pretty amazing that you're part of that, and also terrible that you're part of that. But at any rate, colleges and the army and all that kind of stuff, they're all going to know what's going on, because they're all in the middle of it too. So you don't have to worry that it's going to hurt your chances to get in somewhere or something like that, because most kids across the country are going to have pass fail grades for this term. Nobody's playing sports. AP tests are weird for any of you that might be taking an AP class. The whole thing is just different, and everybody knows it. So nobody's expecting you to have grades on this part of your report card, when you start applying to colleges and things like that. So anyway, let me wrap this up because I know most of you won't watch this video anyway, but you feed the hungry, right? So those of you that want to see me and want to know what I have going on and want to hear what I have to say, then here I am. So Monday is going to be your journal entry, okay? Tuesday, we're going to continue with World War II, and we're going to do some information on the dictators, because these are like the international bad guys. So we're going to talk about Tojo and Hitler and Stalin, who will be our friend after a little while, and then he's our enemy again, and it's kind of crazy. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to have a really good documentary for you about fascism. It's excellent. It's an hour long. So you can take some of that time from one of the other days, but it's excellent. It's really good. And those of you that are history buffs, you're going to love it because it has that modern tie-in that we always look for. And then Thursday and Friday, I'll have probably a little quiz on Friday in the Google Classroom, a Google form. That'll be a quiz on fascism, which is what we're studying this week. And Thursday we'll have some kind of a fascism document that we'll go through. I haven't done that yet. But I'm going to post Monday and tonight. I'm doing this Sunday night. And then tomorrow I'll post the Tuesday, Wednesday stuff and figure out the Thursday, Friday for you. You can text anytime. I know some of you are doing that. Some of you send me little jokes and little memes and stuff, and I love it because believe me, I'm bored out of my mind and I miss you guys. And I miss being in the classroom and, like closing the door and just, telling ghost stories and all that good stuff. I really miss it and I really miss you guys. And I'm really worried about all of you. So I hope you're okay. Please reach out if you need anything. Remind is the best way to get a hold of me. Email, even Schoology, any way that you've been trying to get a hold of me, I've been trying to get back to you. So anyway, let's have a great week. And the good news is for the last 2 days, the death tolls have been down in Maryland. So that is good for us, right? And for anyone that lives in Rocky Ridge, we have 0 cases of coronavirus. There's only 9, I think, in Thurmont and 0 in Rocky Ridge. Sorry, Emmitsburg, I don't know. Sabellsville, don't know. But yay, Rocky Ridge power. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Reach out if you need me. I'm here. Have a great day. Bye.